Meet the all-new Kia EV4, available as both a sleek sedan and a bold, versatile hatchback. Designed with innovation at its core, the EV4 embodies Kia's Opposites United philosophy. Blending sharp aesthetics with cutting-edge technology, the EV4 sedan redefines elegance with a streamlined silhouette, a low hood, and a long-tail design, perfect for those who seek a refined, futuristic drive. The EV4 hatchback, on the other hand, is built for versatility, offering a compact yet powerful stance with bold character lines and enhanced practicality. Both models feature Kia's distinctive EV Tiger face, vertical headlamps, and the signature star map lighting, giving the EV4 a striking road presence. The sedan's sculpted roof spoiler and two-piece rear design enhance aerodynamics, while the hatchback's dynamic C-pillar and robust fenders add a sporty edge. With intricate 19-inch wheels and precisely crafted body lines, the EV4 sedan and hatchback share a bold design DNA while catering to different driving needs. Two distinct styles. One revolutionary EV. The Kia EV4 sedan and hatchback redefine electric mobility. Stay tuned for the world premiere at Kia EV Day 2025.